DIY Home Improvement Crash Course, Flooring Installation. Introduction. Welcome to the DIY Home Improvement Crash Course. In this module, we will explore the exciting world of flooring installation. Installing new flooring can dramatically transform the look and feel of a space, and with the right skills and techniques, you can achieve professional results on your own. In this crash course, we will discuss the importance of flooring, share inspiring stories, and provide an overview of the top 12 flooring installation techniques. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get ready to create beautiful floors. Stories and examples. 1. The Magic of Hardwood. Imagine a homeowner who wanted to replace their worn-out carpet with stunning hardwood flooring. They researched, gathered the necessary tools, and meticulously installed each wooden plank. As they stepped back to admire their handiwork, they couldn't help but marvel at the transformation. The warm, natural beauty of the hardwood floor instantly elevated the entire room, creating an inviting and elegant atmosphere. 2. The boldness of tiles. Picture someone who desired a bold and vibrant floor for their kitchen. They chose colorful ceramic tiles and embarked on a DIY journey. With patience and precision, they laid each tile, creating intricate patterns and designs. The final result was a visually stunning floor that became the focal point of the room, captivating everyone who entered. Top 12 flooring installation techniques. 1. Preparing the subfloor. Ensuring the subfloor is clean, level, and dry before installation. 2. Measuring and marking. Accurate measurement and marking to plan the layout and ensure proper alignment. 3. Acclimating the flooring. Allowing the flooring material to adjust to the room's temperature and humidity. 4. Cutting and shaping. Using appropriate tools to cut and shape flooring materials to fit the space. 5. Installing underlayment. Adding a layer of underlayment to provide cushioning, soundproofing, and moisture resistance. 6. Floating installation. Installing click-together flooring without the need for nails or adhesive. 7. Glue-down installation. Applying adhesive to secure the flooring directly to the subfloor. 8. Nail-down installation. Using nails or flooring staples to attach the flooring to the subfloor. 9. Staple-down installation. Using a pneumatic stapler to secure engineered wood or laminate flooring. 10. Tack strip installation. Installing tack strips for carpet installation and stretching. 11. Grouting. Filling the gaps between tiles with grout to create a seamless and stable surface. 12. Finishing touches. Installing baseboards and trims to complete the flooring installation. Summarization. Flooring installation is a rewarding and impactful DIY home improvement project. Whether you choose hardwood, tiles, laminate, or carpet, the right installation techniques can make all the difference. From preparing the subfloor to adding finishing touches, each step requires precision and attention to detail. By mastering the art of flooring installation, you can create beautiful, durable, and functional floors that will enhance your living space for years to come. Poem. In a world beneath our feet, where beauty and craftsmanship meet. Flooring installation, an art refined. Transforming spaces, one design at a time. From hardwood's warmth to tiles bold. Creating stories, yet untold. Measured with care, each piece cut. Floors taking shape, like a puzzle to strut. Subfloors prepared, a solid base. Acclimating materials, a patient embrace. Floating or glue down, the choice is vast. Creating floors that are built to last. Nails and staples, securely in place. Tack strips and grout, attention we trace. With each installation, a masterpiece unfolds. Flooring's allure, a tale to be told. Song. Verse 1. B. Beneath our feet, a world unfolds. Where dreams and craftsmanship take hold. Flooring installation, an art we'll learn. To create beauty, our hearts will yearn. Chorus. Measure, mark, and cut with precision. Flooring techniques, a DIY mission. From hardwood to tiles, laminate to grout. We'll install floors, without a doubt. Verse 2. Prep the subfloor, level and clean. Acclimate materials, like a well-oiled machine. Floating or glue down, the methods we choose. Creating floors, we'll never lose. Chorus. Measure, mark, and cut with precision. Flooring techniques, a DIY mission. From hardwood to tiles, laminate to grout. We'll install floors, without a doubt. Bridge. Nails and staples, securing tight. Tack strips and trims, the finishing delight. With each step, a space transformed. Flooring installation, an art performed. Chorus. Measure, mark, and cut with precision. Flooring techniques, a DIY mission. From hardwood to tiles, laminate to grout. We've mastered the art, without a doubt. Outro. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.